Hi, my name is John Reinhardt. I'm a real estate salesperson in the area, and I've been doing it for 40 years. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. So I'm an old school guy. I've been doing it, have a lot of experience, sold hundreds of homes. But what I do today a little bit differently is I'm using new tools, technology, and all the great tools that are out there with the internet to help my sellers and my friends get the job done. So I have a great exposure, great experience, and I'm one of those guys who will follow you around on the internet and for my sellers' benefit to get the word out there. And if you have any interest, we'll follow you again. And I've been doing some really great magic online. Love to show you what it's all about. So in the meantime, though, if you're looking to sell and you'd like a free book, I have this book right here that I prepare for every one of my sellers or seller leads. It's a great little hardcover book, and it's about 20 pages long. It talks about the properties and everything, the comparable sales and anything else that you might want to know. It comes up with all sorts of pricing charts and graphs, and for those people that are interested, it really helps everybody that gets a copy of this book. It helps them along the way. It talks about how we market homes, how we price homes, things like that. So if you're interested in getting one of these hardcover books, just let me know, and I'd be happy to send one your way. Thanks for the opportunity of considering me. I'm the old school guy with new tools, and I've been doing it for a long period of time, and that's what I really enjoy. So even if you have someone else that you're thinking of listing with, a friend, family, someone like that, contact me anyway. I'd love to help you by giving you the copy of this book to help your journey go a little more smooth. So once again, thank you for clicking on that link and for considering me. I hope to catch up with you soon. Bye now.